Hello everyone! Today I want to share my experience with Dentitox Pro, a product that truly revolutionized my daily oral care routine. I started using Dentitox Pro a few months ago, and honestly, I was surprised by the results. My teeth became noticeably whiter, and the fresh, clean feeling in my mouth is incredible, just like having had a professional treatment. Besides brightening your smile, it helps remove plaque buildup and prevents inflammation, which is essential for keeping your gums healthy. So, who is Dentitox Pro for? For anyone looking for a whiter smile and enhanced oral hygiene, if you have stains on your teeth, suffer from sensitivity, or simply want to improve your mouth's health naturally, this product might be exactly what you need. For those who don't have the time or desire to undergo invasive procedures, Dentitox Pro is easy to use and fits perfectly into your daily routine, delivering fast and effective results. On the other hand, it's important to know that it is not recommended for people who are allergic to any of its natural ingredients or for those with specific oral conditions that require medical supervision. In such cases, it's always best to consult a dentist before trying any new product. One decisive factor for me was the transparency of the results. I used to be skeptical of products promising miraculous transformations, but Dentitox Pro truly lives up to its claims. It's like investing not only in a more attractive smile, but also in better health and higher self-esteem. And hey, if you're interested, don't miss the link in the description. There you'll find all the details about the product and the chance to secure yours before it runs out. This is a unique opportunity to try something that really makes a difference in your life. So if you're ready to take the next step and transform your smile, click the link in the description right now and try Dentitox Pro. Take care of your smile and feel the difference. See you next time and take care.